Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, November 11th. Stocks on Wall Street may build on yesterday's modest gains, and the markets across Europe and Asia are also broadly higher as worries about the sovereign debt crisis ease. Global investors are growing more optimistic over Italy's prospects, as lawmakers there appear set to approve the 2012 budget bill. The Italian Senate will vote on the measure today, followed by the lower house of parliament tomorrow. The passage of the bill could clear the way for the formal resignation of Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi as early as Sunday. He's likely to be replaced by the economist and former European Commissioner Mario Monti. Those developments are helping to push Italian government bond prices back up, and the yield on the benchmark 10-year note is falling further from the dangerous levels above 7% that it hit earlier this week. The news is also helping the euro make up more ground against the US dollar and other major currencies. That relative weakness in the dollar, combined with an increased appetite for risk among investors, is giving a boost to commodities this morning. Crude oil is approaching $98 a barrel, while gold is up to about $1,770 an ounce. We may see some movement in U.S. stocks later this morning, after Reuters and the University of Michigan released their preliminary reading of November consumer sentiment. It's expected to rise for the third month in a row, after falling to a 30-year low in August. The biggest winner among the Dow Industrials ahead of the opening bell is Walt Disney, up more than 4%. After yesterday's close, the media and entertainment giant reported a 30% jump in its fiscal fourth quarter profit, beating analyst estimates. Disney credited increased advertising sales and fees from its cable television networks, along with higher attendance at its theme parks. Chipmaker Nvidia is also solidly higher following its quarterly results, but shares of Molycorp are falling 7%. The miner of rare earth minerals swung to a profit in the third quarter, but the results still missed expectations. Elsewhere in the mining industry, Caterpillar made an offer to buy China's ERA mining machinery for about $887 million. ERA makes equipment used to mine coal underground. And we'll finish up with a couple big stock decliners. E-Trade Financial is tumbling more than 5% after saying it would not put itself up for sale. The online broker's largest shareholder, Citadel, had urged a sale of the company, but E-Trade's board unanimously voted down that recommendation after consulting with Goldman Sachs. And finally, high-end retailer Nordstrom raised the lower end of its earnings guidance for the full year, but its outlook is still shy of Wall Street forecasts. Shares of Nordstrom are dropping more than 2% on the news. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.